Hi! In front of me is OUKITEL C33, and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. You need to begin by opening Devices Settings and tapping on Notifications right away. Then tap on App Settings, click on Most Recent at the top, and select the best option for you. In my case, Most Frequent. Now just tap on the sweater next to one of your apps from which you want to block them. You can turn them back on the same way. If you want to, you can also just click on one of your apps available on the left and manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!